In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can clear your Snapchat recent searches. Clearing your Snapchat search history is essential for privacy and security. It helps prevent others from seeing who you've been searching for on the app, which can protect your personal relationships and interactions. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat page, tap right here on your profile icon and head into your settings. On your settings page, navigate into the section of privacy controls. Select on the first option of clear data. On this page, head into this option of clear search history. Tap on clear and all your recent searches will get cleared successfully. This prevents any potential embarrassment or awkwardness if someone else accesses your account and sees your search history. That's how easy it is to clear your recent searches on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.